So I went out on a night out last night and I have effectively stolen something that my parents would refer to as a Nintendo. Now this one has a dead battery, so I'm going to be replacing that, and the first thing we're going to do is put it in the centre of the frame, and we'll grab our Phillips screwdriver. We're going to remove the 4 screws. Now one handy little trick about videoing a process like this is that I will know where the screws went, although I believe these ones are actually captive, which is really nice, so I don't have to worry about losing those. And there we go. So now, simply remove our new battery from its prison. Let's pull that one out. Pop that one in, like so. Pop that one in, like so. There we go. And button her all back up again. And nice of Nintendo to make the screws captive, so I don't have to worry about, losing them. And there we go. That's it. See, now it says it's working, it says it's charging, so I suppose I'll just give it maybe an hour or so, and we'll see. Alright, so an hour has passed, the charging light has extinguished. Let's have a go. Ooh. So I have cleaned this up as well, so it looks nice and pretty. It's missing the little rubber piece on the analog stick, but there's not a whole lot I can really do about that right now. Look at that. There we go. I consider that done. Alright, thanks for watching.